Jeni thought foundational narao jotono siwo asuk jora baino chung BC katham baino jeni asuk MLA rok maongkha district council administration bo chung yago tuimangkha obono aphol khlainani obono jeni yago tonani ang BC brumni ani bakhano ang katal khlayo tini bo ang 1969 no wildlife protection ni ain sakang ani u moisle bukurni jacket no ang silongo boro bazar lanu no offer tailoring dorji lanu tongo bono ang khlai suri mani tabok botai tini prai 40-50 bosor ni ulo ang sakau chungoi bo phaikha jagata kichi kachak ongkha ipuno aproni ani bakha jesi juan tongmani ani bakha sikhlaungoi tongmani abon moi to khlainani bagaino ani sak no juan khainani bagai tini ani umuisle bukorno am chungoi phayo. I believe all the young people would like to learn new things today on the very 3rd anniversary of our day, of Foundation Day. And you should review and renew your new life. Make yourself younger. Today, remembering my age at the time of 1969, when there was the government of India, neither state government introduced Wildlife Protection Act. So I caught this python from Kachar, Assam. So I took it. I had taken to Arundhati Nagar training center. I got it trained and I got forest clearance also. Then I have stitched it at Borobazar, Shillong. Lanu, one good tailoring was there, who could stitch both the side, I can wear it. So I was so happy at that time that I could have this jacket. Today, it renewed my heart and my mind. I'm still the young man of 1969. So I advise all the young stars today, because of our beloved Maharaj, we had 13 number of MLA, and the ADC administration is in party's hand. Although many people do not remember the party performance, they want to do everything of their own institutional capacity. Anyway, I have no problem. But at the end, whether you will be proud enough to say that because I have done this or that, today I can still enjoy my past life. I fought a good fight. I can say today, I have finished my course. I'm going to be 80 soon. So still I can walk this much, and I am able to share my idea with others. So today I want to give this heart and mindset and challenge to every young people today. We are all young. Our Maharajas are so young, so nice, so beautiful, walking here and there. Today, he had taken the shoulder of entire our state's affair and taking different direction of talking with the government, different agencies of the government, so that we can achieve something for our people. Tini boni bagay na jot na ang makoyo, broy ong tung chalawong tung, the student, the youth, businessmen, maybe employees, you have all equal responsibility. It's not time for long speech. Abon ang tayo sa sanay, naraw tini onek 50-60 bosoro ongkana 70 bongkana, kintu nung sak no burata chongdi, broiro ba burchuk ta chongdi, nung sikla nung juwan nini ha nini jatin bagay, you have responsibility. Abon challenge na ninong tunginay ang 3rd Foundation Day of Tripura Motha niyo joto na ang baka sharing maklain bagay mabachawo. All the best. Good luck. Hambay.